everyone, and thanks for stopping by the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a beeswax foundation press. So guys, as you can see here, I have two sheets of tile that I cut to the size of the beeswax foundation. So I cover the two sheets of tiles with tape because we'll be using the silicone, and I'm not ready for the silicone to catch the surface of the tile, so I protect it with the tape. And I will be using two pieces of queen excluder as well, guys. I just cut one queen excluder into two pieces, the same size of the foundation. The reason why I'm using the queen excluder, it will allow airflow to pass through, so the silicone will dry or cure within 24 hours time. If you don't do it that way, guys, the two piece of tile with the beeswax foundation, it's going to be like a sandwich, so the edges of the silicone will cure but in the middle will not cure. So that's how I came up with the idea to use a queen excluder. And the queen excluder serve a next purpose as well. It will keep the silicone, when you're working with the silicone, you will be able to level it as possible because the queen excluder is flat, as you can see. So guys, the sheet of beeswax foundation, it's lying on the next sheet of tile and it's covered with tape, as I said. So I'm going to go ahead now and start applying the silicone. I will place text on the screen just to say what I'm doing, or I will come back and do a voiceover when it's necessary. And I'm going to speed the video as well, just to reduce the length of the video. Okay guys, so you saw me place the tile on top of the queen excluder. I used the hammer, that hammer that you use to lay tile, to beat the tile so it pressed down the queen excluder into the silicone. So that's what I've just done. Okay guys, so thanks for reading the notes and watching the video up until this point. So you can see that the mold is finished now guys. These two pieces of boards that I added with the four nails is just an idea came to mind that when I'm making the foundation, I'm going to run the wires and the nail will hold the wires in place while I actually make the foundation, so the wires will be embedded into the wax foundation the same time when I make the foundation. So that's just an idea came to mind. So as you can see guys, the mold is looking well, foundation press. So I will be making a next video guys showing how I actually make the foundation sheets with it. So stay tuned. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel if you love this video to see future video that I'm going to release and the video to come how I actually make the beeswax foundation with this mold. So I'm just giving a close-up view right now. As you can see guys, there's the fishing line. That's just the fishing line I run, and the nails is holding it in place. So that's how I'm going to get the fishing line to be embedded in to the wax foundation, but I don't know how well it's going to work. I will have to just try it. So guys, please do, if you're going to make this mold, please to use the rough sandpaper to rough up the queen excluder so the silicone will bind and dry onto the queen excluder properly, because for me I did not do that, and some certain places on the queen excluder the silicone is peeling off because it's smooth, it did not hold properly. So guys, here you can see I made a little catchment to catch a beeswax. I just cut I think it's a 1.5 inch PVC pipe in half, and I get two pieces of right angle bracket and connect it to the half of PVC pipe, and block up the two ends. So when I pour water in it, it won't be able to run out, and it will catch all the excess beeswax. So guys, please to like this video, comment down in the comment section and let me know that you like and appreciate this video, because I burned through a lot of resources, silicone and lot more just to get this video out. I made a lot of mistake, guys. Maybe in the next video I will show you all the mistakes that I made, and I have a whole heap of silicone that I waste just to get this thing to work the simplest way, and to show you guys how to prevent some of the mistakes that I made. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.